Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. This is a powerful way to streamline your scheduling process directly on your website, making it easier for clients and visitors to book appointments with you without any back and forth emails. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to integrate Calendly. This step is important because it ensures you're working on the correct site if you manage multiple projects. Once you're viewing your chosen website, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the editing interface where you can make changes to your site's content and layout. Click the Edit button to proceed. Now you'll be in the full editing mode where you can customize your pages. Select the section on your page where you want your Calendly scheduler to appear. This could be on your contact page, services page, or anywhere else that makes sense for your visitors. Once you've chosen the section, click on Add Block. A menu will appear with various block options. From this menu, click on Embed. The Embed block is what allows you to add external content like Calendly to your Squarespace site. After adding the Embed block, you'll see a pencil icon appear on it. Click this pencil icon to open the embed settings. From the options presented, click on Code Snippet. This is where you'll paste the code that connects Calendly to your site. You'll notice a field labeled Embed Data appears, ready for you to input the necessary code. Now it's time to switch over to Calendly.com. Log into your Calendly account using your login details. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, locate your scheduling page, click the three dots next to your scheduling option, and from the drop-down menu, click on Add to Website. This is where Calendly provides you with different integration options. You'll see three options for how you want to add Calendly to your website. These are Inline Embed, Pop-up Widget, and Pop-up Text. Each serves a different purpose depending on how you want visitors to interact with your scheduler. For this tutorial, we'll select Inline Embed, which displays your calendar directly on the page. Click Continue after making your selection. Calendly will now generate a code for you. Simply copy this code. It contains all the information needed to display your scheduling page on Squarespace. Once you've copied it, head back to your Squarespace tab. Back in Squarespace, paste the code you just copied into the Embed Data field you opened earlier. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly, then click Save. After saving, click Exit to leave the editing mode. Give it a moment to process and load. Wait until your Calendly scheduler fully loads on your page. You should now see your Calendly integration displayed directly on your website, ready for visitors to book appointments with you. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with Squarespace, making appointment scheduling seamless for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.